Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this super pretty chocolate hair with only developer, no bleach, no box dye, no none of that, honey. This is just developer and it is 40 developer. So let me tell you guys all about the hair. So this is a wig that I made myself. It is 3 bundles and a 6x6 closure, and that is just a really more spacious closure. So you can part it here, here, here. It's kind of like really big, similar to a frontal, but it doesn't go all the way ear to ear. So I love, 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 because frontals can be very damaging. And I'm learning that a lot with a lot of, you know, my experience with wigs. As you guys see, I throw frontals on and off. So they sent me their straight hair, and it is 24, 26, 26, and then the middle part's 20-inch closure. So I got this idea from another YouTuber. Her name is Ashley Bedeck, and I actually get inspired by a lot of her videos. She does a lot of hair videos similar to me. So I was like, why not just try it and see if it works? And it did. And this isn't just her idea. A lot of YouTubers have actually done this. I actually seen one way back to 7 years ago. So this isn't a new method, but it is new to me. I feel like I've known about it, but I never tried it because I was probably like, I didn't want to try it and fail. But sis, this worked, okay? So if you are into brown, nice chocolate hair, this, you know, method is definitely gonna work for you. Just want to talk about Aliexpress a little. I worked with this company numerous times, and if you've been subscribed and you pay attention to my hair videos, you have seen that. So I don't get any, you know, bad vibes from this company, obviously. The hair is always nice. This hair is nice and full and long. So I'm really obsessing, and I love, love, love the color. As far as shedding, I get minimal tangling, not really. I've been wearing this for the past week and a half, so I have been getting some wear out of it, and I am in love. So definitely check it out in the description if you guys are interested. But I do not want to talk you guys' head off. Let's just hop into this tutorial, and let's talk in the comments. Let me know if you've tried this, if you want to, or if you end up trying it and it works, okay? And thank you guys for watching another video, and let's get into it. So this is just the wig, and it stayed after I wore it a couple days and kind of just put it to the side in my room somewhere. The hair looked really good when I was wearing it, but as you guys know, if you wear your hair back to back and just throw it to the side, it's not going to be this silky, flawless hair. So this is the packaging. They sent it in, and they did include a wig cap, which they always do. So I am using a 40 volume developer, and you can get that at really anywhere, but Sally's is the best in my opinion, because you can buy like a gallon of 30 or 40 for, I think, $12.99 I paid. So I am just pouring what I think is enough in this Tupperware, and then I'm just going to start applying it. Now I did separate it, and I didn't get to record the whole process on camera, but yeah, I just take the brush and I'm kind of just trying to brush it out, make sure it's no naps or nothing, no kinks, nothing like that. And then I'm going to start applying the developer. And I did use a brush, but I got kind of like bored like right when I put it on, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna just pour it on there, and I did, and it made the process go a lot faster, but if it was pretty messy. I should have did it on like the floor. I would have had more room, and the garbage bag I used was really, really small, so don't be like me. Get a normal size one, like a big one, put it on the floor, maybe 2, and just go to work, and you won't have any problem about a mess. I was scrubbing developer off of my floor and my deep freezer, because I just thought, why not film in the kitchen where I was doing a couple other videos. So I was just like, whatever. But yes, I'm continuing to apply it, and that is really all that I'm doing. My camera does end up dying, but yeah, I literally just applied it and made sure it was on both sides evenly. So this is the full wig after I was done, and I made sure it was nice and lathered and, you know, touched every streak of hair possible. And actually the developer, it did start to process my knots, so I wasn't mad about that, because I didn't originally go in and bleach them. I just put makeup on them when I made the wig, but just brushing through as much as I can to make sure it's on every strand so I don't have a weird colored wig. And it obviously processed perfectly fine, and I'm so happy that I got the exact color I wanted. Like, I promise you guys, I was scared it would be like weird light patches or something. So this is the next morning. It only took overnight for it to air dry. I hate blow drying wigs, like especially long ones. It takes forever. So I just let it sit in my living room where it's really cold, because I have air conditioner in there, and I leave it blowing all night so that room stays cold. I closed the door and I made sure this wig dried, you guys, and look at how pretty that color is. It looks amazing. And this is the end result. So if you guys love this process, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you tried this, let me know. I want to know how it went for you guys. And thank you guys for watching another video. I love you all, and I will see you all in the next one.